Okay, Sophia, are you ready to read? Are you excited? Yes. Sophie is so excited to read. Okay, now, first word. What's this? Very good. What's this? Very good. What's this? Very good. Now, what's this? Very good. Now, what's this? Oh. Mouth. Can you open your mouth? Very good. Now, what's this? Gorilla. Good job. What's this? Tiger. What does the tiger say? Louder. Very good. And what's this? What's this? What? Oh, show mommy. What's this? Arm. Very good. Good job. What's this? What does the dog say? Woof, woof. Very good. And what's this? Cat. What does the cat say? Meow, meow. And what's this? No? What's this? Oh, you forgot? Here. Oh, what's this? Toes. Very good. And what's this? Arms. What's this? Yes, this is two words. So, arms. What's this? Oh, okay. Mommy will help you. Arms up. See? Arms up. See? Very good. It's okay. Now, what's this? What's this? Arms down. Look, look. See? Down, yes. And what's this? I know you like this, Sophia. This is what you've been waiting. Oh, what's this? Colors. Yes. What color is this? Red. And this? Blue. This is blue. This is orange. And this? Yellow. Oh, say hi, Lola. Yellow. What's this? Purple. And what's this? Green. And what's this? Black. And this? White. And brown. Very good. Now what's this? What's this? What's that? Reach. Reach. Can you reach for the banana? Banana stuffed toy? Very good. Now, Sophia, what's this? What's the last word? Wave. Can you wave to mommy? Very good. Yay. High five mommy first. High five. Knuckle. Knuckle. Good job. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye to the camera. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.